Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how you doing? What we're going to be talking about right now is an emergency alert that was declared. Officials declared an emergency at Georgia's largest nuclear plant after an electrical transformer caught fire. And an alert was declared at the Vogtle, I think I said that correctly, Vogtle Electric Nuclear Power Facility in Burke County, Georgia. While officials initially did not provide a reason for the alert, they assured the public in a press release that there was no danger. Later, it was confirmed that a fire had broken out in an area away from the reactors, and Georgia Power stated that the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission, along with local and state agencies, had been notified about the alert, and it remains unclear if anyone has been injured right now. So according to Georgia Power Company, the alert was issued at about 12 o'clock in the afternoon for a fire at the Alvin W. Vogtle electric generating plant in Burke County, Georgia. And a spokesperson for the energy company, his name is John Kraft, he said that the fire impacted a transformer that supplies electricity to one of the plant's units. And the alert was issued for units 1 and 2 at the plant, and the fire and alert were not a threat to public safety per Georgia Power's Company press release on the matter. But officials fully extinguished the fire, and the alert was lifted at 2:36 in the afternoon. Now, no injuries occurred in connection to the fire, and there was no risk to the reactor units under the alert or to the plant itself. They said there should be no danger to the public, and you will not need to take any action unless directed by state or local officials. And the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission, as well as state and local agencies, have been notified among 4 other categories of emergencies designated by the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. An alert is the second least serious. So that's all I have for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, you stay safe, you stay positive, you keep prepping, and as always, fear less. Ciao.